I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been.
Hey beauties, it's time to decorate for spring today, and my house, I don't know if you can see it, is kind of a wreck, so we're gonna do a little bit of tidying and then we're gonna jump right into decorating. I'm so excited. I'm in comfy clothes today. I don't know if you can tell. I'm ready to get this done, so let's do it. And for anybody who is new here, first of all, welcome. My name is Bella and I love making, cleaning, decorating, organizing, decluttering, all of the stay-at-home mom or parent motivation that you could possibly need. I actually just finished up a bunch of decluttering all around my house. If you're interested in that, it is super motivating if you just need to do a good spring declutter and clean, and I will have a spring deep clean coming up on the channel after I'm done decorating. There will be this part and then a part 2 of my spring clean and decorate, and then we'll be moving right into the spring clean with me. And I will link my haul of all of my spring decor down below, but right now I'm just moving around and just tidying up the room because I don't like to decorate in a cluttered room. But now I am on to the fireplace, and guys, I love how this turned out. I kept it really simple and I just love how it looks. Honestly, you'll have to let me know. And I think these signs worked really well. Sometimes I have trouble finding signs that work well in the space, but this was not one of them. But now I want to talk about something that is really exciting. I am going to be showing off the items for the giveaway that I announced on Instagram a couple of days ago if you missed that. And we're just going to take a super quick break so I can show you more in depth the items that I got for the little giveaway that I'm gonna do. So we got a cute little sign, and I kept it really neutral because I want to just like enhance your guys' creativity instead of trying to push a certain color onto you guys. So just like greens and just neutral wood colors, super cute. And this one says, "Welcome Spring." And I was going on and on about this. If you missed the preview on my last video, I'm obsessed with this pot just because it is so pretty. Super neutral, you can put any color flower into it. It's a good one for any spring look. I got you guys a water cup, a reusable one, because it's gonna get hot and it's super important that you guys are drinking your water. And I got 2 of these cute little bunnies, these woven bunnies that I love. And again, you can just pop this in with any color and it would look so cute. And I'm sorry if you can hear Lauren behind me, I just gave her dinner. But this, it says it's an egg garland, but I'm not so sure. I think you could use this any time of year. Just super cute. And I kind of kept with this, just like neutral but like light color, so you can seriously just put it in with anything. That was the goal of this. And I have all of the dates written down on my piece of paper, so I'm sorry if I glance down, but this video is going up on March 4th, and I'm gonna give everybody 1 week to enter the giveaway on this video. All you have to do is answer 3 questions that I'm going to ask later on. And then on March 11th, the giveaway will close and I will announce it the next day on the 12th. And it will be announced first on Instagram. So if you're not following me, it's Bella_Ariana127. That's where you're gonna find out first. But I will reply to the winner of the giveaway's comments here on YouTube, so you'll also know there. And I also just wanna really quickly say thank you again for helping me get to my milestone of 1 year. So this is seriously, like, I just wanted to give back to you guys because you guys just made that happen, so thank you. Now I'm moving on to the entertainment center, and I'm about to sound like a broken record if you have been here before, because we got this entertainment center while moving in and I didn't have it in the old place, so I never really figured out how to decorate it, and I never had an entertainment center before, so it's been a lot of trial and error, but I end up loving what I did with this. There was a lot of playing around though, so bear with me. I feel like it's always one space, guys, and right now it is this space. This is the reason why I blocked out 2 days for this project. I'm gonna keep kind of working on this and troubleshooting, but by the end of this video, I'll have figured it out, I promise, even if I have to run to the store today and figure out a couple more things. But don't worry, because I'm gonna do a full walkthrough at the end of this. I don't know, we'll see. We'll figure it out. In my Valentine's Day clean and decorate, it was the fireplace that was giving me issues when it came to decorating, but it was the entertainment center in today's case. But I am gonna move on to the couch because I knew what I wanted to do with this space. It ends up being so cute, and I leaned more into the pinks over in this area, you'll see, but I end up really liking it. I know that I ended up getting a really good mix of spring colors, and I was scared how it would all come together, but honestly I love it, and I've been living with it for a few days at this point, so I know that this is, I think, my favorite look that I've ever done in this new place, which is so special because we haven't had a spring here yet, and this is going to be our first one. And I don't know, I just love when things come together and it just makes everything feel more like home, and that's going to be the case too for summer. I've never decorated this space for summer, so that'll be exciting to find out as well.
Every time we're close, I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been in two places all at once.
Now I'm moving on to the coffee table, and I need all of your opinions because I found this cute little flower box with tulips and I love it, but I need your help. Alright guys, I'm having a little bit of an issue. Should I put this, I love these and I forgot that I had them in the closet, and I really want to use this for spring because it's so pretty. Should I use this up here on the shelf, or should I put my gold tray back on the coffee table and put the books on the tray? I completely removed the gold tray. I thought that I wasn't going to end up using it because there isn't a whole lot of gold in this look, and I did that on purpose. But let me know. I want to use these books and I want to be able to show this off, but it can also stay up here. It looks pretty cute up here too.
You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving.
Now moving into the kitchen, and I always like to make sure that I'm decorating in a clean space, so I always take a few minutes to just wipe down the counters, wipe down the table, all of that good stuff. Let me know if you do that too, if I'm the only one, because that might just be me. That might be like something that only bothers me, but I don't think it is. I think that most people don't like to add more clutter into like a space that they feel like is already kind of dirty. Just let me know in the comments.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like.
Now I'm gonna put together my tiered tray, and it's gonna be the same as it was when it was at the old house and when we moved in before I redecorated it for Christmas, because I decorated it for Christmas and I decorated it for Valentine's Day, but I didn't really feel the need to get all new stuff for spring. I thought that my year-round decor would work just fine here, but I did try to kind of play around with how I organize things with like the plants and stuff, and then I end up putting something that I used for my Valentine's Day look on this as well that was technically year-round decor. Let me know if you like it or if you have any suggestions. I always thought that it was super simple, and if you missed this, I shopped for this when we still lived in our old house, which is crazy that we actually got to move in here, and I love it here. If you're new around here, you might not know, but we used to live quite a distance away from my family, but we ended up moving back a lot closer to where I was raised. We're actually in the same area. It's kind of like the same general area that I was raised, and I have a lot of family that lives in this town too, and I just like the vibe of it more. It's more of like a rural town, so I enjoy the farmers markets and stuff. But all those videos are still on YouTube if you want to see them.
We are all about the good.
I ended up putting this back in, and that created a little bit of height. I think it looks really good now.
Dance until it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax all your problems.
Alright guys, so it is later on, and I just got a couple more things to finish the entertainment center. I'm just gonna do the quickest haul ever, and then we're gonna move on. Alright, so everything is either from Michael's or Marshall's, and this blessed sign is actually the other one than the gather sign. They have two. This is the other one. I thought it might look really cute up there. And I got these to surround it, but let me know what you think, because I'm still kind of on the fence about it. My only other option is to get like a vine or something to put up there. I don't know, you'll see in a second. But I wanted to add some more like depth, so I got some like hanging ones to go up there. We're just gonna see how it looks. This is my first time ever playing around with something like this, so wish me luck. Alright guys, now we're gonna revisit the giveaway rules just so that we're all on the same page. All you have to do is answer these questions, and then we're gonna give it a week, and then make sure that you come back here to find out who won. Do we love it or do we not? Let me know. Alright, first question, what is your favorite season to decorate for? It doesn't have to be spring, but I want to know which season you love to decorate for. Usually Christmas or fall are super nostalgic, I know, and those are probably my favorite. Question number 2, getting back into the spring cleaning side of things, what is your favorite spring cleaning chore? I want to know what you absolutely love to do. And then my third question, what is your least favorite spring cleaning chore? Everybody has one, and I want to know what yours is. What can I give you motivation for our spring cleaning video? Answer those in the comments, and then you will be automatically entered into the giveaway. Follow on Instagram or come back here to find out who won next week. I think that I'm gonna live with it for a little while before deciding. Like, I literally left the tags on for everything. I don't know if I should put a vine there, but then I'm worried that you wouldn't be able to see this, so I'm honestly kind of feeling that. I kind of like that. It's just, I don't know if it's okay to put that on the middle shelf. I seriously have no idea. Let me know. For everyone that's better at decorating than I am, I don't claim to be the best. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so this is probably like the worst time of day that I could do a walkthrough, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now just because I don't have any other time where I can do this. So right here is our entertainment center. You just saw that. And I kind of like that. I wish that I could see the pot a little bit more, but maybe I can play around with that later. But I like how much green I added this year. I usually don't add a lot of plants. You guys know that if you've been watching for a little while. And I'm really proud of myself for actually trying to add more plants this year. And I do love my little woven bunnies. I like how I kept it really neutral colors. This is my favorite thing, guys, seriously. I love that so much. And then the little carrot signs. I know it's like super cliche, but I do love them. Over on the desk, I kept it like super plain. I know that you're probably used to me doing a lot more with this desk over here, but I just put one of the leftover bunnies, and then I put that cute little wreath there just to add a little bit of spring in this corner. I'm probably gonna play around with that more. So stay tuned, you might see that in part 2. I might revisit that area, but for now that's fine. Up here, I think this came out so pretty and just like super like bright and fresh. I put the little flowers there and my gather sign, and I like how that adds a lot of spring colors. And we're gonna go back over here to the couch. As you guys know, I put my pink pillows back on here from Valentine's Day because I told myself that if I got these pink if I got these pink pillows for Valentine's Day, I was going to use them in my spring look too, because they're honestly really expensive at Target. So that's what I ended up doing, and I really love this pattern. So I got a lumbar pillow with that same pattern. And I ended up leaving my tiered tray, my coffee table tray, the gold one that I usually use. I left it out and I just replaced it with this. And I was thinking about getting like maybe some woven coasters for the coffee table to kind of try to keep it a little bit cohesive. But I like how that looks, and I like how it turned out in general with like the pinks over here. And we'll go ahead and move into the kitchen. This I kept really simple. I might do another kind of retouch of this, but if you saw our last house, this is exactly how I had this tray there as well. And I know that you saw me set it up a little bit earlier, but it's cute. I liked how I set it up in the old house and where I had it. If you haven't seen those videos, they're still up. You can go watch them if you want, when I actually shopped for all this and put it together. And our original mug is back. And then here, I just put just like a pop of yellow just to make it look super happy and spring and just super fresh in here. And that is all I have for part 1, but stick around because I'm going to do a part 2 in Kennedy's room. You know that I always like to decorate Kennedy's room too. Let me know what you loved about this look, and also make sure that you enter the giveaway because I'm really excited to be able to gift one of you something really special, because it just means so much that everybody helped me get to 1K within my first year. I will see you back here for another video, but until then, bye guys.